JTAI stock analysis next week, Monday. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. So Jet.AI sitting at $6.45, 12% down. It's actually such a bullish range, and I'm going to get into it a little bit deeper. I have spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called thousands of correct predictions up on my YouTube channel, and all of it has been documented. Specifically looking at JTAI, I'm looking to take things up. So how will that look like? I mean, I'm not trying to be like the guy that's going to sit here and just trying to force movements, you know, just to build a fake demand, right? No. The idea is that we're inside this demand zone. It's not like I have any power, you know, how the market will move. I'm just here to react and just stick to something that I've tested and refined over 36,000 videos that I have made on this YouTube channel. So specifically with this thing here, because we're inside the demand, if there is a shift, then I'll be fine to potentially take things up and buy. If not, you know, then I will just not force anything, you know. So I will continue to keep you updated. In the meantime, all I will keep doing is I'll just keep waiting. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.